Cashback cards are popular, but the BMO Cashback World Elite MasterCard promises perks that might make it stand out. Here's my full review before you apply. This card offers 5% cashback on groceries, 3% on gas and transit, and 1% on everything else. That's competitive, especially if groceries are a large part of your monthly spending. The card also comes with a welcome bonus if you meet a minimum spending requirement in the first 3 months. Travel perks are included too: no foreign transaction fees, travel insurance, and concierge services. This makes it a good option for frequent travelers who want both cashback and protection on trips. The annual fee is $120, which is offset quickly if you maximize cashback categories. Most people get this wrong. If you spend mostly outside the bonus categories, the card may not be worth the fee. Security features include purchase protection, extended warranty, and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. BMO also has a robust online dashboard to track your cashback and spending. In conclusion, the BMO Cashback World Elite MasterCard is excellent if you spend heavily on groceries, gas, or transit, and want strong travel perks. If your spending is low or outside bonus categories, consider a no-fee card instead. Subscribe for more credit card reviews and tips to maximize rewards before you apply.